In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the mobile font size in Shopify. If you're looking to enhance the readability and overall appearance of your Shopify store on mobile devices, you're at the right place. Let's dive right in and get those font sizes looking perfect on your site. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the site editor in your Shopify dashboard. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a small phone icon. Go ahead and click on it. This handy little tool will instantly switch your view to mobile mode, allowing you to see exactly what your store looks like on a mobile device. This perspective is crucial since mobile users often have different needs compared to desktop users, and ensuring text readability is a key part of enhancing user experience. As you explore the mobile view, click on any text element on the screen. This will open up a Properties panel on the right-hand side. Here, you'll find options to adjust the heading size. Adjust the font to your preference, making sure that it's neither too small nor too large, allowing for a pleasant reading experience for your visitors. If you're looking to take customization a step further, you have that option too. For more detailed font size customization, turn your attention to the left panel. You'll see a gear icon which leads you to the theme settings. Click on it and then select Typography. This section offers a treasure trove of customization options where you can adjust the scale of all fonts across your site. If you're keen on giving your store a unique look, you can also change the font styles here. Play around with the different options to find a style and size that fits your brand's personality and ensures readability on every device. Once you've made all your adjustments and are satisfied with how everything looks, the final step is critical. Click on Save. This ensures that all your changes are implemented and that your mobile visitors will enjoy the enhanced readability the next time they browse your store. And there you go. That's all there is to it. You now have the tools and knowledge to change your mobile font size in Shopify, ensuring that your store looks sleek and professional on mobile devices. Taking the time to adjust font sizes can make a significant difference in user experience, potentially increasing customer satisfaction and even sales. Thanks for joining me today, and happy customizing!